Okay, so you can see my whole paper here. What I would do is a horizontal line like this, and then a vertical line like this across the whole thing. I used to have you guys fold this. And then you're gonna draw a number 1, a number 2. I'll wait for you all to do that. Please give me a yes when you are finished. So I don't want to start the next step if everybody's behind. I feel like sometimes I go too fast and sometimes I go too slow. So I need that feedback to know if we're ready for the next step. Only 7 students out of 36 have responded. Now it's 15, half of the class is ready. Now it's 20, 25, okay. I'm very happy getting this feedback. 28 of you out of 30. We're waiting for 5 more students. 3 more students we're waiting on. I don't like calling out names of people that are not working, so I'm just gonna write their names down and mark them absent. We're at that point now. Because then you're really not here following along if you're not responding to the poll questions. Poll question, period 4. Elizabetha. I'm tired of like mentioning this all the time. It's getting old. Let's see who else is not participating in the poll. Oh, all of a sudden, everyone except for 1 student. That seemed to work out nicely. Okay, moving on to the next part. You are going to rotate your paper horizontal. And here we're going to write number 3 and number 4. Okay. So this is going to be horizontal, horizontal sketches. Please write that. So you're going to have 2 horizontals. So I'm going to put HS here, horizontal sketch. New vocabulary word, horizontal, hamburger. And then we're going to go back to 1 and 2. And you're going to put 2 vertical sketches. These are your little rough drafts, 1, 2. I should have put a 2 with the horizontal as well. You get it. No big deal. So these are your practice ideas for your sketchbook cover or your cardboard cover. Okay, you have 2 different options. I made a practice one for my sketchbook cover as well. It's almost a rectangle square. And so I just doodled, but I want you to practice. My next idea, if I was to make another one, I'm going to do a circle, but you might want to do a sad face or a happy face guideline. This one, I'm going to play around and do a wavy line. My horizontal one, what kind of guideline could I do? I could do a circle. Oh, I wonder what that's going to look like. That's interesting. And then maybe I'll do, because I'm advanced. You guys are not necessarily advanced. If you want to do a straight line or a basic curve line, you go ahead with that. I'm going to do a zigzag line just because I'm curious. I showed you some variety from before. So this is up to you. There's no right or wrong line. And then I'm gonna start my stick figure. Actually, I'm gonna skip the stick figure because I think I'm that good. Miss Brown thinks she's good at this. We'll see. I'm gonna do all caps this time. Some people might want to do lowercase. I'm good enough that I don't need that stick figure. Mrs. Brown. So this is up to you and how you want to do your word style. It could be cursive if you want. It's up to your talents.
I'm gonna fast forward this. You get the
Have
idea.
any,
You're playing around.
I just give you the. All I care.
You want to watch the whole thing? You can watch it on the last David video.
Just show me that you're trying.
Okay.
Anybody have a question? Would like me to demonstrate something?